Hey yo, what is up YouTube? Sparky Marky Mark here, and I'm back to do an unboxing. And what is this big one? And wait a minute, what's that say? Ooh wee, is that what I think it is? How am I gonna open it, thou say? Heck, no worries. Time to cut it. Alrighty, now that the opening the box is out of the way, this is from Shop Factory, folks. That's right. This is from Shop Factory. Taking the wrapping paper away, and here it is, people, everyone. One rollerway poster. I think it's the 12 by, is it the 18 by 20 or? Well, this is one of them. And it's for the 2002 film, Bubba Hotep. It was directed by Don Coscarelli, starring Bruce Campbell and Ozzie Davis. Elvis, Bubba Hotep, JFK. Look at this. Writer and director Don Coscarelli of the Phantasm films, and John dies at the end. If any of you young generations have heard of the independent music artist named Kid Exquisite, he did a song called NDO. And in the beginning of the song, there's a beat, and then a singer or character says, "John dies at the end." That's the beginning of the music, folks. So there can't be coincidence if Kid Exquisite is a fan of Don Coscarelli, or the Phantasm films, or any of the films that Don Coscarelli directed. Yo, Kid Exquisite, if you're listening to this, dude, are you a fan of horror movies? Are you a fan of independent, low-budget horror films, sci-fi films, or any certain genre that you like? Leave the comments down below, dude, because I got a feeling you are a fan of horror films and low-budget films, or big-budget films, that is. Or big-budget films, that is. Sorry for that, got a little something in my throat or something. Anyway, so this is for Bubba Hotep, which is a 2002 or 2003 film. 2003. Whoa, there. Yeah, I was 12 when this movie came out. I've seen bits and pieces. I gotta see the whole thing. I have the Blu-ray, never had a chance to watch it. I gave that to a buddy of mine. I got the 4K, and this is for the 2022 4K scan from the original camera negative. Color correction, supervised, approved by director Don Coscarelli. Audio commentary with Don Coscarelli and the star of the film, Bruce Campbell. Audio commentary with the King, obviously Bruce Campbell. Audio commentary with Arthur Joe R. Lansdale, and then you have the Blu-ray, again, 4K scan. And you have the special features from the Blu-ray Screen Factory edition. Nothing new. Yeah. So yeah, this is what I got, folks. That's all that came with. The Blu-ray and the poster. Too bad I couldn't get the bundle. It was a little bit pricey though. Why be so pricey on the bundles? So yeah, I got a rollaway poster, 18 by 24. If not, the corrections in the description box down below. So yeah. Well, anyways, y'all, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off. Y'all take care. God bless you. Catch you on the next vid. Enjoy the first day of February, everyone. Catch you on the next vid. Enjoy February, y'all.